national holiday in India. Republic Day honors the date on which the Constitution of India came into force on January 26, 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 as the governing document of India. Public Day, observed by the Constitution, was adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on November 26, 1949, and came into effect on January 26, 1950 with the democratic government system, completing the country's transition towards becoming an independent republic. January 26 was chosen as the Republic Day because it was on this day in 1931 the Declaration of Indian Independence, Purna Swaraj, was proclaimed by the Indian National Congress as opposed to the Dominion status offered by the British regime. It is one of three national holidays in India, the other two being Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. History of Republic Day. India achieved independence from British rule on August 15, 1947, following the Indian independence movement noted for largely peaceful non-violent resistance and civil disobedience led by Mahatma Gandhi. The independence came through the Indian Independence Act 1947, 10 and 11 Go6C30, an act of the Parliament of the United Kingdom that partitioned British India into the two new independent dominions of the British Commonwealth, later Commonwealth of Nations. India obtained its independence on August 15, 1947 as a constitutional monarchy with George VI as head of state and the Earl Mountbatten as Governor General. The country, though, did not yet have a permanent August 28, 1947. The drafting committee was appointed to draft a permanent constitution, with Dr.B.R. Ambedkar as chairman. While India's Independence Day celebrates its freedom from British rule, the Republic Day celebrates the coming into force of its constitution. A draft constitution was prepared by the committee and submitted to the Assembly on November 4, 1947. 366 days, spread over a period of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days before adopting the Constitution. After many deliberations and some modifications, the 308 members of the Assembly signed 2 handwritten copies of the document, one each in Hindi and English, on January 24, 1950. 2 days later, it came into effect throughout the whole nation. Celebrations. President Rajendra Prasad, in the horse-drawn carriage, readies to take part in the first Republic Day parade on Rajpath, New Delhi. In 1950, the main Republic Day celebration is held in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath before the President of India. On this day, ceremonious parades take place at the Rajpath, which are performed as a tribute to India, its unity and diversity and rich cultural heritage. In 2016, on the occasion of the 67th Republic